you ready to run?
I'm on the mission.
13 years on, this event has become much more than a race.
Today is the day.
This launch of the CB Group UWI 5K and Run with Passion Kids Skate 2025 is a very important event for us. It really is a movement of compassion. It's a movement of collaboration. It's a movement of commitment to our students' future.
So I want to take this opportunity to thank the other sponsors who have been on board from day one 14 years ago, and then the others who have joined along the way.
To our scholarship recipients this morning, I want to say, you are the living proof that opportunity transforms lives. Make the most of it. Make the most of it. And when your moment comes, ensure that you extend a hand to someone else.
This is how we feel about you. You're our future. You'll all be working at one of our establishments, we hope, one day, and help us to build. So we depend on you, and this is why we're investing in you, because you are our future.
I am humbled to stand before you today as one of the recipients of the CB Group UWI 5K scholarship. This scholarship for me is more than financial support. It is a lifeline. It has given me the ability to stay in school and pursue my education without the crushing fear of homelessness and tuition debt.
Ladies and gentlemen, the race is on. We want the excitement start from now. We want you to start, build yourself, build your teams to be the largest team and also the fittest team.
I am charging every one of you to use social media, to use your voice, to get as many persons to come out and support as possible. The more people we have at the 5K, the more people we can help.
On Sunday, November 23rd, right at the UWI Mona campus, whether you're walking, you're running, you're wheeling, or you're just cheerleading, come on out and register. Let's celebrate education. We're going to celebrate the students. We're going to celebrate Frano's 70th lap. Let's keep changing lives, one step at a time.
To the CB Group, the organizers, sponsors, and everyone who makes opportunities like this possible, on behalf of myself and the other recipients, thank you for believing in me. You're not only investing in my education, but you're also helping me to rebuild my life, reconnect with my son, and create a future where I can give back to my country. For that, I am forever grateful. Thank you.